My Blargian Snagglebeast devours your mutant swamp fly. Oh yeah, I bet you didn't see that one coming. Hey, what are you doing?
Check and mate.
What? That's cheating!
On the contrary, the rules clearly state that the Blargian Snagglebeast has an allergic reaction to swamp flies that last 2 turns. Ooh, it is on again.
Feel soft. Love the new maximizer. P.S. I love you.
That was terrific.
Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out.
And contagious.
Your mother was a broken down tub of junk with more gentleman callers than the operator.
Nobody talks that way about my mother! Nobody!
Now everybody sing, everybody sing, everybody has to sing. You don't have a choice but to modulate your voice, because everybody must sing. Sing.
Did you just scream like a little girl?
No. Maybe. Can we talk about this later?
Hello, ladies. Look at your man. Now back to me. Now back at your man. Now back to me. Sadly, he isn't me.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. I think about it every night and day. Spread my wings and fly away.
Not gonna happen.